We are discussing question number 7 from exercise number 2.6. The denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. So one rational number is there. In that rational number, denominator is greater than its numerator by how much? 8. Rational number. What is the meaning of rational number? A number which can be written in the form of p by q. If you write any number in the form of p by q, and moreover p is integer and q is also integer, and denominator and also q value should not be equals to 0. Denominator should not be equals to 0. Such kind of fractions are known as rational number. Indirectly we can feel that rational number is nothing but fraction whose denominator is not equal to 0. So rational number means what we thought? Fraction. Every fraction is consisting of one numerator and one denominator. Okay. The denominator is greater than its numerator by how much? 8. So denominator is more. Greater means more. Denominator is greater. Denominator is more than its numerator by how much? 8. That means the difference between denominator and numerator is 8. So if you wanted to know denominator, you must depend upon numerator. Then after what is that? On that only we have to depend. So numerator, if you take by adding to the numerator 8 to the numerator, you will get a denominator. From this line you can understand this one. Okay, let us think up to here only. So let the numerator of the rational number be x, you assume. See, if you wanted to know denominator, you must depend upon numerator. First you declare what is numerator. So by adding 8 to the numerator, you will get denominator. That is why I thought let the numerator of the rational number be x, and given the denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8, it was given. So from this line, denominator is greater than its numerator. So denominator of rational number will be numerators. For this numerator you have to add 8. Reason it is greater. That is why for this if you add 8, you will get x plus 8. That is nothing but denominator of the rational number. Okay. Next, if the numerator is increased by 17. In this question, numerator is increased by 17 and the denominator is decreased by 1. So second condition is given. Also given that numerator is increased by 17. So previously you have the numerator as x, denominator as x plus 8. From this, numerator is increased by 17 means already x is there. Increased means plus 17. You add 17, you add to the numerator, you will get x plus 17. Denominator is decreased by 1. So denominator already what is there? X plus 8. It was decreased by 1. Increasing means plus, decreasing means minus. So you write the previous denominator and from that you decrease 1. So minus 1 you do it. 8 minus 1 is 7 only. So you will get the new denominator as x plus 7. After performing these two activities, that means 17 is increased to the numerator, 1 is decreased to the denominator, then what you are going to get as per the question? The number obtained is 3 by 2. After performing these two activities, you will get the number as 3 by 2. So as per the problem, so numerator change it to x plus 17, denominator change it to x plus 7. So numerator by denominator form you write. So after adding 17 to the numerator and decreasing 1 from the denominator, you will get x plus 7. So further you can write this is nothing but 3 by 2. So you see equality sign. Left side also one fraction is there, right side also one fraction is there. Whenever equality is sign, left side and right side fractions are there, what you have to do? Cross multiplication only we have to do. So this 2 is multiplying this x plus 17 and this x plus 7 is multiplied with 3. So by cross multiplication we get what we are going to get. So here 2 is multiplying with this x plus 17. So 2 into x plus 17 is equal to sign is equal to only 3 into x plus 7. For your understanding purpose, let me write once again. X plus 17 divided by x plus 7 is equal to 3 by 2. It is the previous step. Now we are cross multiplying. 2 is multiplying with this x plus 17. You will get this, and equal to sign, equal to is equal to, then this x plus 7 is multiplied with this 3. So 3 into x plus 7. So 2 is multiplying x plus 17. X as well as 17 both are multiplied with 2. Same, x and 7 both are multiplied with 3. 2 into x is 2x. For this plus 2 into 17, 34 is equal to, actually you should try to understand like this. This is plus 3. Here also the same thing is applicable. Here everything is plus. That is why I am telling directly. But the process, once again let me explain. This is positive 3 and this is positive x. When you are multiplying, first symbols multiplication. Plus into plus is plus. 3 into x is 3x. Again this plus into bracket is nothing but multiplication. Plus into plus. 3 into 7 is 21. Here also the same steps. This is plus into plus plus. 2 into x is 2x. Plus into plus is plus. 2 into 17 is 34. Now here x term is left side of equality sign, and one more x term is the right side of equality sign. Take these x terms are together and remaining constants are together. So one side of equality sign constant should be there, another side of equality sign x terms to be there. This is plus 2x and this is plus 3x. So transpose the smaller one. So this is plus 2x is smaller than plus 3x. So 2x you transpose to right hand side. You will get already 3x in right hand side only. There is no change. When you transpose plus 2x, it will become as minus 2x. Now plus 34 is here only. Plus 21 you transpose to left hand side. You will become as, you will get minus 21. 34 minus 21 is 13. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. 13. 3x minus 2x. 3 minus 2 is 1. So 3x minus 2x is 1x. That is x. So that you can write 13 equal to x. That implies x equal to 13. You got the value of x as 13. But as per the starting lines, what is meant by x? X is nothing but numerator, and x plus 8 is nothing but denominator. In question they are asking us to find out the rational number. Rational number means numerator by denominator only we wanted to write. If you know numerator and denominator, we can write the rational number. Here you observe it. The numerator we assumed in the starting line as x. So x value 13 directly you can write. The denominator you assumed as x plus 8 in the first condition. Denominator is greater than the numerator by 8. One line is there, so because of that line we wrote that denominator as x plus 8. So the denominator is equal to x plus 8. X value plus 8. X value is 13. Substitute here x value 13. For this plus 8 is 8 only. 13 plus 8 is 21. Now numerator is fixed and denominator also you got. The required rational number is equal to 13 by 21. If your answer is correct or not, checking process from the question you can observe denominator is greater than the numerator by 8. So denominator, you see that denominator is 21. Is it greater than the numerator? Yes. 21 is greater than 13. By how much greater? So 13 plus 8 only will give 21. So denominator is greater than the numerator by how much? 8. 8 more it is there, no? Right. Next one. If the numerator is increased by 17 and the numerator is increased by 17, denominator decreased by 1, the number obtained is 3 by 2. Second condition I am writing as check. Numerator is increased by 17. Numerator how much you got? 13. 13 increased by 17 means 13 plus 17 is 30. And denominator decreased by 1. Denominator is 21. So denominator decreased by 1. Decrease means minus. So you will get the new numerator is 30. New denominator is 20. So the number obtained. So ratio if you do 10 3s are 10 2s are. So ratio obtained is what? 3 by 2 only. The number obtained is 3 by 2 only. So as per the question, the number obtained is 3 by 2 only. That also satisfied. So the required rational number is 13 by 21.